Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll not playing video. This is the most common reason video won't play. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then reopen Crunchyroll and try again. Next, completely close the Crunchyroll app or browser. Open mobile, swipe the app away. On PC, close the browser tab. Reopen Crunchyroll and play the video again. Restarting, fix small bugs. Turn off your phone, tablet or computer off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll and check if the video plays. Go to App Store and make sure Crunchyroll is fully updated. If you are watching on computer, update your browser to older version can cause video from playing. Sometimes higher quality cause playback issue. Tap a start, tap the setting icon and change the quality to 720p or 480p. This helps videos loader faster. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.